Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So if we look carefully, this one that is about capital 8. This one that is about B. Now we need to transform this one into this one, so we can cancel about the square root, but we just have only A minus B, so we need to multiply by A plus B on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So for this one, we can transform into this one. So we need to expand this one and this one. So if we simplify this one, we will have like this. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. So we just have only this one. Now the integration of 18, we have 18x. The next one that is about x squared over number 2, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Now we just have only this one. So for this one, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to sine t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we can find the value of t that is about number 0. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 cone here, and we can find the value of t that is about b over 2. So we keep number 0 in here. Number 1 we change for b over 2. S we change for sine t. ds we change for cosine t dt from here. So this one we have cosine t squared. The square root of this one, that is about cosine t. So this one we have cosine t squared. And now we have the formula cosine t squared. We can transform into cosine 2t plus 1 over number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 2t, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t. And I will put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. And now we have the final answer. So we put b over 2 cone here. Number 0 cone here. So we simplify everything and we have b over 4. Now we need to go back in here. So we put number 1 and number 0 cone here. And this one, that is about b over 4. This one, that is about 35 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.